Check out this INFINITI 2012 G37 Coupe journey. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: premium package, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, XM, AM/FM single disc CD, CD player, MP3 decoder, radio data system, air conditioning and automatic temperature control. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.